Cities are rapidly expanding, and that means, amongst other things, that we're encroaching on the natural habitat of wildlife. And because of this, collisions with animals are on the rise. Most wildlife collisions take place on rural two-lane roads between 7 p.m. and midnight during the spring and fall months. To avoid a collision, slow down on the roads and use defensive driving techniques, giving yourself more time to react. Now, if hitting a deer with your car is inevitable, this is what you do. Fix your eyes on where you want to go, not on the animal. Avoid swerving altogether. Brake firmly, holding your steering wheel as you stop. Now try not to panic and take things one step at a time. First, move your vehicle to the side of the road if it's safe to do so. Next, turn those hazard lights on, stay off the road, and stay away from the animal. Third, call the police and fill out an official report. Document the incident with photos and get contact information from any witnesses. And finally, contact your insurance provider. If you're not sure about whether or not you're covered if you hit an animal with your vehicle, give a big broker a call. We'd be happy to help you.